Welcome back to EVAI Labs, your go-to channel for the latest in electric vehicles and cutting-edge automotive tech. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated EVs on the horizon, the 2026 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio EV. This Italian stallion is going fully electric, blending Alfa's legendary performance heritage with zero-emission power. If you're a fan of high-octane sedans like the BMW M3 or Tesla Model S Plaid, buckle up because this Quadrifoglio is set to redefine the game. Let's break it down, starting with that stunning exterior. From the outside, the 2026 Giulia Quadrifoglio EV screams Italian elegance mixed with aggressive athleticism. Built on Stellantis's STLA large platform, it maintains the classic Giulia silhouette but amps up the aerodynamics for EV efficiency. Up front, you'll spot the iconic Trilobo grille, reimagined for electric needs with subtle air ducts to channel airflow and reduce drag. The headlights are sleek, full LED units with adaptive tech that curve around the fenders, giving it a predatory stare. The body lines are sharper than ever, with wide shoulders and flared wheel arches that house massive wheels, likely 20 or 21 inches, wrapped in high-performance tires. Carbon fiber accents pop up on the side mirrors, splitter, and side skirts, adding lightness and that premium race-inspired vibe. At the rear, a subtle active spoiler deploys automatically for extra downforce during hard cornering, while quad exhaust tips are purely aesthetic, hinting at Alfa's playful nod to its gas-powered past. Overall dimensions keep it compact yet commanding, around 182 inches long, with a low stance for better handling. Paint options will include signature Rosso Alfa Red, but expect metallic blues and grays to highlight its modern EV soul. It's not just pretty, wind tunnel testing promises a drag coefficient under 0.25, boosting range without sacrificing style. Stepping inside, the interior is where Alfa's luxury craftsmanship shines, creating a driver-focused cockpit that feels like a high-end sports car wrapped in tech. The cabin seats four comfortably, with premium materials everywhere, hand-stitched Alcantara on the headliner, carbon fiber trim on the dash and doors, and supple Italian leather on the seats with green Quadrifoglio clover embroidery. The front buckets are heavily bolstered for track days, with heating, ventilation, and power adjustment standard. A massive curved digital instrument cluster, spanning over 12 inches, merges seamlessly with a central touchscreen, running Alfa's latest infotainment system powered by Android Automotive. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates for new features. Controls are intuitive, with a rotary knob for quick navigation and haptic feedback on the screens. Ambient lighting in customizable colors pulses through the cabin, and in race mode, it shifts to aggressive reds. Rear passengers get decent legroom for a sports sedan, plus USB-C ports and climate vents. Cargo space is practical at about 13 cubic feet in the trunk, expandable with folding rear seats. Tech highlights include a head-up display, 360-degree cameras, and an augmented reality navigation overlay. Sound-wise, Alfa's engineers have engineered a simulated exhaust note that revs with acceleration, preserving that emotional driving feel without actual emissions. It's minimalist yet opulent, outclassing rivals in sheer personality. Now, let's talk performance. This is where the Quadrifoglio EV truly electrifies. Under the hood, or rather the floor, sits a roughly 100 kWh battery pack feeding a tri-motor setup, one up front and two at the rear for all-wheel drive. Total output, over 1,000 horsepower and massive instant torque, propelling it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. That's quicker than most hypercars. Advanced torque vectoring distributes power intelligently, making it handle like a rear-wheel drive beast in corners while offering all-weather grip. The adaptive suspension uses magnetorheological dampers to switch from comfy cruiser to track weapon in milliseconds, with drive modes like normal, dynamic, and Quadrifoglio race tweaking everything from steering weight to region braking. Speaking of region, it recaptures energy aggressively, extending the estimated range of 350 to 370 miles for the high-performance Quadrifoglio trim, though standard Giulias might hit 450 miles. Top speed is electronically limited to around 200 miles per hour, and braking comes courtesy of massive carbon ceramic rotors with electronic calipers for fade-free stops. On the road, expect razor-sharp steering with feedback mimicking hydraulic systems, plus a near-perfect 50-50 weight distribution thanks to the battery placement. It's not just fast, it's engaging, with software that can simulate gear shifts for that manual feel. Efficiency is solid too, with 800-volt architecture enabling 80% charges in under 20 minutes at DC fast chargers. Finally, on pricing, Alfa is positioning this as a premium offering, with the base Giulia EV starting around $80,000. But for the full Quadrifoglio experience, you're looking at $100,000 to $110,000 before options. That includes standard features like adaptive cruise, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. Add-ons could push it higher, think carbon packs or premium audio, but it undercuts pricier rivals like the Porsche Taycan Turbo while delivering more heritage flair. Availability starts late 2026, with pre-orders likely opening soon. In summary, the 2026 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio EV is a masterpiece, electrifying performance, seductive design, and soulful Italian engineering. If this gets your heart racing, hit that like button, subscribe to EVAI Labs for more EV reviews, and drop a comment on what car we should cover next. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and see you in the future of mobility.